Okay, let's dive into this explainer. How does a simple household chore turn into a literal slow-motion disaster?
Sweeping a dusty room and going into cardiac arrest? Crazy, right? But with hantavirus, it's a terrifying reality. We're looking at the Andes and North American strains today. Guys, these carry a brutal 40% mortality rate. The hidden threat? It's in mouse droppings, urine, and saliva. When you just sweep up without a mask, you stir up those particles and literally inhale them right into your lungs. So please wear a respirator mask. No, watch out for early warning signs at home. It mimics the flu: fevers, massive fatigue, muscle aches, and chills. But inside, it's a totally different story. Normally, your lungs stay dry and your blood circulation is wet, right?
Well, hantavirus completely flips this biology. Your lungs get dangerously wet, while your blood circulation just runs totally dry.
Let's track the 7 stages. 1. Exposure. 2. The flu-like phase. And 3. The virus infects your blood vessels. The virus is sneaky, suppressing your immune system to buy time. It burns silently, infecting more and more cells.
Then, stages 4 through 7 hit. Cell junctions break like leaky pipes, flooding lungs and causing total heart failure.
Plasma literally floods where air should be. The patient basically suffocates while simultaneously crashing into hypovolemic shock.
This is exactly why getting to the ICU early is crucial. Medical intervention is hands down your best hope.
In the ICU, intubation isn't just for breathing. The ventilator's pressure physically pushes that deadly fluid out of your lungs.
Doctors also use super careful IV hydration to keep your heart pumping, preventing total cardiovascular collapse. And in the worst cases, ECM machines completely bypass the failing lungs, directly oxygenating the blood until you heal. MedCram perfectly sums up this whole explainer. Knowledge is power. Break this chain of infection and improve survival. So what's our key takeaway? Prevention. Seriously, will you wear a protective mask next time you sweep up dust?